Hi, welcome to the new YouTube video. Good to see you all again. Let's see how to make videos like this.
Today I walk you through how I created that avatar, how I changed my clothes, how I changed my hair, and how I meet up with a friend in a restaurant, and how I play with bunch of flowers. It is easier than you think. So make sure you keep watching till the end. This is something you really need to try. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. First, we need an avatar. There are a bunch of things that you can do. You can either turn your own photo into a 3D character, or you can describe your character and build your character from scratch. ChatGPT is a great place to start when describing your character. If you want some visual inspiration, you can go to the Pinterest. For example, I will search something like a girl with a curly hair, and you can scroll through and get the inspiration. I found a picture with a hairstyle I really like, and once I found the right look, I'm going to download this to my computer. And now we need to turn this image into a 3D pixel style character. So I'm going to turn into a ChatGPT. And now I'm going to upload this image and I'm going to give this prompt. I'm going to say, turn this woman into a 3D pixel style. The woman is standing in a white room wearing a red blouse and a black pants, and the image is in 16:9 aspect ratio. And now the ChatGPT generated a beautiful pixel style image, and this is great. I really like this one. And now here's the thing, I have only one character with one image. Now I want to change the look of this character without changing the character. Like I want to change the clothes, change the hairstyle, change the background, but with same character. So I'm going to choose this as my base image, and now it's time to have some fun. You can change the hairstyle, outfit, background, even add new items. It's completely up to your imagination. To do this, I'm going to go lamarina.ai. I will link this website in the description down below as well. And now here click the drop down menu and choose direct chat. And now here click the image icon, and from here you can select the model. I'm going to select Gemini 2.5 Flash Nano Banana model. And now this is the first prompt I'm going to try. Woman wearing a yellow dress with flowers in her hands. And this is the output, which is great. Now I'm going to try another prompt. Woman in a restaurant with another woman. And this is the second prompt, and which is great. And just like that, you can create any style you want. Just type what you want in the prompt box and it will generate the image for you. So here are few images that I have created using the prompt box. In some cases, the model will not generate exactly as your prompt say. In cases like that, you can start a new chat and start generating again. It will solve the problem in situations like that. And now we have our images ready. Now it's time to give life to these images, generate free videos. Yes, I said it right, free videos. And you're still on LA Marina, you can expand the menu here. And you can here select try on Discord. And if you don't have Discord, you can create your account here, and then you can accept the invite and you can join the server. And this is the video generation model that we are trying to use. And you can see there are a lot of people generating videos here. And now here's what we are going to do. In Discord, you can see in the bottom corner, there's a text box. And here type /. And you can select image to video. And it will come up with this upload icon, and you can upload your avatar image here. And now here you can see you can enter the prompt. I'm going to enter prompt like two women talking friendly, and let's see what will be the output like. It says that it will take 10 minutes, but it will not take 10 minutes. Within 2 to 3 minutes you will get your video ready. And now this is the video that I have got. And look at that. That's just wow. No awkward glitches, no unusual behaviors. It is so cool. And now I'm going to upload another image. And here I'm going to type a girl talking. And let's give it a time and let's see what that output will be look like. They have created this video. Now let's say now I want to create a video with lip syncing. Here's a little trick that I'm going to use. I'm going to type in the prompt exactly what I want to say the character. For example, something like this. I will upload my image again. And I will type my prompt like this. Talk in and say within brackets I will tell, hi, welcome to the new YouTube video. Good to see you all again. Let's see how to make videos like this. And then I will enter. And let's give it a minute. And here's what we got. The lip syncing is really great, and now you can add your audio separately to the video. For that, I am using CapCut. You can go to CapCut. You can import your audio and your video. And now using the tools in the CapCut, you can match the audio with the audio. You can change the speed. You can change the voice. You can change the volume. You can do all those things. And this is the final output.
Hi, welcome to the new YouTube video. Good to see you all again. Let's see how to make videos like this.
In some rare cases, this video generator will give you the video with the audio. It is so rare and it is so random. There's no exact method how to get that audio, but I got 2 of those videos. Like, these are examples.
It's really important that we finish this presentation by tomorrow.
Let's meet with another video. These flowers are for you. See you.
I got these videos with the audio clip itself. So it is so cool, but it is very random. So this is how you can create talking avatar videos using this amazing AI video generator. So if you think this video is helpful and if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.